welcome back to Kravings for Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite comfort foods for the fall. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. The first thing I'm going to talk about is my shepherd's pie. This recipe is delicious. Meat is loaded with veggies and it's smothered with mashed potato and cheese. It's truly delicious. Next, I'm going to share my lasagna recipe. This ain't your nonna's lasagna, but it's delicious nonetheless. I like to make this with express lasagna and it cooks really fast. Another fave in our household is my chicken pot pie. I like to make this in individual ramekins as they cook much faster and they're easy to eat. If you want a warm and delicious meal to warm your belly, my pumpkin sambar will do the trick. It's paired with other veggies and it's super healthy. And finally, this delicious pumpkin masala pasta is great for the fall and Thanksgiving. I've paired it with these cute little pumpkin pasta shells and they are perfect. Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this lovely roundup of my 5 favorite comfort food ideas for fall. Do make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Until I see you next time, do take care.